Okay, let's finish this together, okay? So first, let me remove all those things. So this is a little bit of challenge is because it have 14 activities here, right? To make sure you're getting all of them, we can't likely put a divided by here. And we have our sequence for both of them. So we're starting from A, we assign 0 here. And this is 1, 1, 1. And the D is 1, you get a 1 plus 1, you get a 2, 2, 2. And the B, C, E, B, C, and the E, you're getting maximum from 1, 1, 2 plus 1, you get a 3. F and G, you basically you get a 2, 2 plus 1, you get a 3. And the B, you're getting 2. H and I, here you're getting 4. 4. I, you're getting 4. So here is 3 and 2. You 3 and 2, you pick 1, and here is 3 and 3, 3 and 2. Okay, so that's why I getting 4, 4. Okay, so the last one you're doing here is you will show me the equation because I trying to save the time here. Okay, so you're getting the N here is KLM. KLM. So you get a maximum 4, 4, 4 plus 1, you get a 5. So I'll getting the same number with me. Okay, so that means you have 0 to 5. So we put in the sequence here. Or maybe another way. Sequence. Whatever the quiz. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is one way you can directly starting with your AON. But in my case, I'm always starting with AON, and then I do the AOA. Okay? I do the AON first, and then I do the AOA because at least, specifically in my class, your exam is starting with AON, and they're asking you, the first question is doing the AOA, right? So you are getting both the credits. So, okay, let's start with AON. So we fill in the numbers in the column A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, G is here, maybe H, I, and then K, L, M, N. Am I putting everything in the correct column here? Okay, so if you all agree with this one, I'm going to save my time. I'm going to make a copy for this. And I put this one down here. Because late I can directly use it, right? So, okay. Let's go ahead to give each of them a box. So in your practice, you make sure you have those as a box, square box as much as possible, okay? Okay, now we connect them. So to connect them, we need to look back to the dependence column, right? So A is going to B, A is going to C, A is going to D. So this no question. And the E, F, G is I'll go to, okay. E, D is going to E, F is going to, and the G is required to deconnect as well. I'll get this right. So look into the second column here. Second column here we have H. H is from B, C, and E. Okay, B. So that is a little bit tricky here. B, C, and E. We probably need to. So B is going to H. C is going to H, and the E is going to H. Y'all get this?
I put the J. So we could curve it like that. You won't mark it wrong for us.
You can do curve, or you can do.
I put the J on top.
You put on J on top, right?
Yeah. And I left E.
It doesn't matter. So you can do curve, or you can do like this way. Okay, you did that way, it's fine. You did a curve, it's fine. If you have enough space, definitely you can. If you have enough space, yes, you can organize it better than this one. I have only have limited space here. So, all right. So, and the E. And then the next is who is going to I, F and G. And which is going to J is B is going to J. So definitely you want to make the J to here. Is that what you mean? And the B is going to J, right? So I put in the J in the bottom here, which is not good. So we can move it here. So and the K is H and I. Sorry, K is H and I. Yes, H and I. And the L is H and L, H and J. So basically we need to creating a new L here because J is going to L and H is going to L. So we'll remove this one. So that is why we need to using the pencil to do this job, right? So, and the M is from I. And the last one you have is K to N, M to N, and definitely L to N. So that is the AON looks like. Is everyone getting the similar sense like this?
Yes.
Great. So raise your hand. How many of you get it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's better than last time. It's only 3. Good. Let's keep progress. Okay. So what do we do next? Next, based on this one to create a AOA. That will be the super challenging stuff, right? So let's see if we can make it, okay? So to make a AOA stuff, I probably will using the space here, each is better. Let me see if I can getting a something over here. Not work. So anyway, so so let me take a picture of this one, and I will copy this one to somewhere. Okay, I'm going to getting a new page here. And paste it here. Okay, now this is our AO, this is our AON down. Now we are doing the AOA. So I have this one before, and I will see if I can reuse those things. Cut and paste here. Good. So I missed the A here. And this is 0. Is that clear to you guys? Okay. Oh, we're doing this one. Come down. So the first step we're doing is we have a A over here, right? So it is really safe for you to getting a 1 to 5 here to represent your A. Does that make sense? And the next is really clear. The condition is B, C, and D. So for B, C, and D, probably need to make this small. That works. So the B, C, and the D is we can do is 1 to mailing. It's mailing to 1. This is your B, C, and D. And you can give notes here. And we can do the name, we can do the numbering stuff later. So you all can get this, right? So the next we have is we move this one to here, and we're doing the same way. And also we move this L to up row here. We do this L as well. And those sequence number not really needed for here because we already have it. So let's see. How can we do this? You have the C is going to H. And you have that B is going to J and going L and going N. B is going to H and B is going to, and C is going to H. B is not going to K, right? H is then going to. So let's do one by one. I think the top one is the easy way because it's most straightforward. So we can do this. So this is your G, sorry, this is your J, and your J is going to the L. And L is finally going to the N. Right? You can do like this way, or you can move this one and then make your N is here. So that is moving forward one. You have the A, B, G, A, B, J, L, and the N. Any question for here so far? So far, so good, right? Now the challenge coming is the B is going to, if I keep looking the B first, B is going to H. So we probably need to move those 3 down somehow. And probably we need to rewriting them. Okay. B is going to H. So let's first make an H. Suppose H is ending by a point here, and H has a starting point here. So the question here is how to connect B to H. Can we directly doing like this way and make that is our H? So far, we do not have any issue because B is going to H and H is going to K, and the K finally is going to N. Right? This is right now. Okay, so we have H and K down. And we keep looking, C is going to H. C is going to H. Can we do this? Can we do this? This is C. Can we do this? We cannot because C and B will be the same thing, right? So in that case, then we need a dummy. So where to put our dummy? Can we put a dummy like this? Can we? No. Because if we have a dummy like this, that means C is going to G, okay? So, but C does not going to J, C is only going to H. So that means we can do like this. And make this as a dummy. Does that make sense? We need a two dummy here. If we only have one dummy, it does not work. So we need a broken here, put a dummy and remove this one. And remove that one. And this is a dummy. Does that make sense? So we can only do this because we want to keep the B to H relation. And also we can have the C to H relation, but C is not going to J. Okay. So is C have another relation existing in our AON? No, C is only go to H. And let's look for the D. D is going to what? E first, right? So D is going to E, and we probably needed to move those a little bit down, and then we're creating a E here. Let me change it to the yellow. Okay. And D is also going to what? D is also going to F. And the D is going to G, okay? So far there's no issue. Let's see if we need a dummy next. So E is going to H, right? So if E is going to H, can we do this? Do this as E? Can we do that? Yes or no? We don't have this. Is that okay? The red one is E. I think it's okay because we're not creating any new things. We only have the D to E, E to H, and the E cannot go into here because this is cannot reverse, right? So let's move this, remove those one, and putting a E here. And this is E. Yeah, E is the task before the H. It's okay. Let me do this. Let me remove this and make a big circle here. Okay. So everything is coming to this left, this starting points. So this one doesn't matter. You point to the bottom here because this is starting the point of the edge, and this is any point of the edge. Okay. And change this name to E. All right. So next, what's the next? Next is F to I, right? So F to I, that's will be easy. And this will be your F. So we can remove this one. Does that make sense? because your F is only pointing to I, and the I is pointing to M, and the I is pointing to what? Yeah, M is pointing to M. Okay, so so that you have your F, I, and M. What's the remaining sense? G to I, and also I to K. Is that correct? So you can give a dummy here and give a dummy here. How many dummy we have here in this diagram? 4. So name them dummy 1, dummy 2, dummy 3, and dummy 4. Make sure you have everything checked and nothing missing here. Let's do double check here. So we have A to B, A to C, A to D, and we have B to J, and J to L, and L to N, and we have B to H with a dummy, and H to L. We forgot this one. H to L. So how to present H to L? We missed that one, H to L. We missed this one. How to present H to L? So can we do this? Can we? Or using that? Can we do this? You think so? Think of it again. If we do like this, that means this one can go through here. Okay, so you're right. We need to broken in here, and this is H, and this going up, and change this one to dummy.
With that movement from being where like it's supposed to be underneath the 3, ain't it?
Which one?
Like when you started off, it's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like if you move it to the side, it won't be underneath that category. Like it's underneath where the 2s.
Doesn't matter. That is just to help you to organize them in the order.
So it don't matter.
It doesn't matter. Yeah, but you the better to have it at the first to make sure you're not missing something. Okay, so but right now you still have this. This is your edge. Okay, it's still in that column. So you have the dummy 5 and the dummy 6 in this one. Okay, let's try one more time, see if we're missing anything. H, we have it. And the next is C to H. Do we have the C to H? Yes, through the dummy 2. Do we have the D to E? Yes. Do we have the D to F? Yes. Do we have the D to G? Yes. Do we have the G to I? Yes, through the dummy 3. Do we have the F to I? Yes, itself, and the E to H? Yes, 3 in here. And we have H to K, yes, through dummy 6, and I to K through dummy 4, and I to M through M itself, and M to N through M itself, and K to N through K itself. So that's what your final answer looks like. 6 dummies. That's too much. Yeah, that's too much. So, okay, let's fill in the number in. This you can give 10, 9, 8. And this you can give as 15, 14, 13, 12, and this you can give 11. And this you can give as 20, 21, Or you can give 21 or 19, it depends, okay? 25 and 30. So that's the number looks like. Cover this question. So I'm starting the recording here again. This will be easy. I think most of you is already doing with the AON now. So sequence number. So you get 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. CD is 2. F is 3. EF is 3. E is 3. H is 4. K is G and H, which is 5. So you get a sequence number maximum is 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I guess that's the same thing. And then you have B2E, CD, and F is going to G, EF is going to H. So that you want to be, this is your I, this is your G. F going to G, EF going to H, and B is going to I. And H going to J. I think we did this one. We did this one last class. We did it. It's here. And this is the answer. So you need 3 diamonds. If you get only 2 diamonds, that means you're wrong. We did.
Wait, go to the, then, could you explain why you would need only one dummy from C to F?
Okay, let me do one more time. So that's what will be better. Okay, let me do one more time. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, the student who left early is smart. The already see this is repeat things. A, B, C, D, E, F, I, H, G, J, K. So this is A, mailing relation, and the B is only go to the E. So I move the E a little bit up. And the C and the D is going to F. So C and D are going to F. We only need the 1 here. And make this as a dummy. And is that your question here? Why C and D is only the 1 dummy?
So, yeah, because like on the answers, it shows dummy going from node C to F.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter which one's a dummy.
Yeah, because both of them are in the same situation. So basically, yes, doesn't matter.
Okay.
You can reverse it, so it doesn't matter. So E is going to I, and I is going to K. And the E is going to H. E is going to H. And the F is going to H. So if F is going to H, that means we need a dummy here. So that F going to H diamond. And then we have F to G, and this we can direct connect it. So since this need a diamond, so we need a booking here. So pair has a diamond. So basically, is this. This is diamond 2 and the diamond 3. And then we have the H to G, and then we do this and do this. And we can move from here, move from here. And basically, that is it. So that is easy. That is easy. 1, 5, 10, 8, sorry, 9, 8, change another color. 1, 5, 10, 9, keep mistake. 9, 8, 15, 14, 16, 20, 25, 30. So that is it. I'll get it. A little bit of mess up over here, but the key sense is 1 diamond here, 2 diamond here. So
Wait, why isn't there a node at the end of, or after I?
which one? F to I? We don't have F to I relation.
Oh, just go straight.
F is going to here.
No, I was at from I to, excuse me, from I to.
I to K.
Yeah, so I to, you see the node after J? It's 25.
25 here.
Yeah, so you don't have to put a node after I, you just go straight to that one.
Mm-hmm.
That is-
Here directly
oh,
go
starting
here.
node is-
Yeah, because starting any nodes is different.
Oh, I see.
All right, so that's all. I'm going to end in here. Any more questions?
I just missed it when I had to go downstairs to talk about it.
This one actually we already did it.
It's on the note.
We already did it here. We already did it last time.
Oh,
It's,
we already did it?
we already did it last time, yeah.